The Rift S box is substantially bigger than the Oculus Quest box, and that's probably because the headsets are inherently a little bit bigger. The Rift S is a little bit bigger. So, yeah. Okay. Alright, so we got all the available games, but I don't think it comes with any games here. Alright, here's the bad boy right here. Everything here is well compact. Okay, it's very light. We got this box here. So this cable is super long. The smell is very interesting of this. You can smell like factory. So I gotta download the Oculus app. So the screen is very similar, very nice blacks. I can see some stuff below my nose, so there's some light leakage, but not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna play with the IPD adjustment, and I think I'm at the right spot. Feels a little heavy on my head. But very easy to put on and off. So I just simply put it on like this, and I'm in. It's very comfortable in the back. There's nothing here to be annoying.
I can see the black frame around it. Is that normal?
I don't know.
Like I don't see like a full field of view. I just see like two circles.
So everyone has seen this online. This safety screen has been leaked out. So I'm gonna tell you how to set up your play area. Your headset is now updating. So I'm really curious, did Oculus Quest provide any free games? Let's find out. I think it would be a real shame if they didn't include any free games like the previous Oculus Rift. So let's see if they have any free games. Now you can see I'm currently plugged in and it's charging and I can still play, which is really nice because obviously you're gonna run out of battery at some time, so it's nice to be able to be plugged in. And it has this nice right angle adapter here for the USB-C connection. Okay, so right now we're gonna set up the Oculus Garden setup. Helps you stay within the bounds of your play area. This is a virtual boundary that you can read. Right now, this is awesome. Right now I can actually see almost stereoscopically the environment around me. So I can see my filmer. But now, right now I can see all around me. I can actually touch this chair and it's in a stereoscopic vision. It's kind of trippy to be honest. But anyways, I can go actually right here and grab the controllers. It's telling me left and right. Okay, so I got the two controllers here, and right now it's going to tell me to confirm the floor level. So look down at the virtual grid. It appears to be, select the confirm button. Okay. Hopefully the battery doesn't die. Intricate. Alright, I got my play area, guys. Whoa, this is weird. This is really crazy, man. I'm already experiencing this total degrees of freedom. Like, I don't have a cable on me. This is amazing, guys. I think this is groundbreaking. Okay. So apparently my play area is less than the recommended size of 6.5. You can clear. So, that's okay. Let's continue. Very cool. So I got my boundary. Now I have to say, guys, I really like the controller feeling. It's got a little more textured feeling. So it's a little more, less smooth. Okay, I can hear the volume. It's pretty loud. I'm gonna put it down. It's pretty loud. Camilo, can you hear that volume?
Yep.
I mean, can you hear the music coming out?
Yep.
Oh, okay, that's not good. You don't want to be able to hear my stuff. Okay, I'm seeing this cool intro here. Very impressive. The blacks look really nice. And you know, guys, I'm constantly worried about getting tangled in a wire, and I don't have a wire, so it's like, it's kind of weird that I'm doing circle. It's pretty insane, a little dizzy. So the sound quality, what do I think? It's not bad. I like that there's nothing touching your ears. So that, I don't know, I personally just don't like when things touch my ears, or like the sound is going right into my eardrums. Kind of hurts your hearing. But the sound is a little tinny, it's not great, but so far it's okay. So let's continue. Right now I'm going through the tutorial. Vibration feels really good, the haptic feedback. Not like the Samsung Odyssey Plus, which wasn't that great. So we got capacitive, and you can track my index finger, which is really cool. Not like the Odyssey Plus, which you can't do that. Obstruction, do anything you can hit. Want to go sit down. The stationary garden is for sitting or standing only if you get too close to the edge of player confirming. I'm going to go back to standing. Let's see if it understands. So let's go back to standing. I'm going to step out my boundary. So I just stepped out of my boundary, and as I step out, I see the world around me, which is a really nice feature. So this actually helps with me not screwing up. Okay, so it's asking me, return to play area. You've left your garden boundary. Please return to play or create a new boundary. So it thinks I'm out of the boundary. That's fine. What I'm going to do is say, okay, I'm going to go back to my room scale boundary. Just confirm it. And now I'm back. This is amazing. This is amazing. Okay. All right. So the haptic feedback feels great. So I have to say, the graphics look very similar to the Rift. Sound is not bad. I honestly think it's better than the Odyssey. And the Odyssey had like 8 kg, like really thick headphones. This is a little more tinny, not as clear, but still really good. I'm gonna have an interesting time to compare this sound quality with the Rift S. Because I don't know if they're using the same speakers. One thing that the Odyssey Plus did have upon that is better is the screen door effect. Here I can see some of the pixels. It's not as good as the Odyssey Plus, which had anti-screen door effect. Now I wonder how this compares to the Rift S. Sound is good. Let's put it up a little bit. Tracking is great, superb, no issues. So what other demos we got here? We got Creed, Scramble. So no free games, but at least it gives you some demo, which is really nice. Navigating to the menu is really great experience. Very intuitive. I mean, there are a lot of free games. There's Rec Room, Poker Stars. What other free games we got? This is amazing. Can't lose this all running off a mobile chip. But you can tell the graphics aren't as good as the ones in the Rift S. But then again, you're not playing with a $2,000 machine. Okay, I'm dodging bullets here. The sound is not bad though. Let's put it down. Oh, I got a shield now.